guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Just got this in the mail. Have no idea what it is. So you guys will find out right along with me. With my channel, I get lots of requests from manufacturers who ask me to review their products so that I would make a dedicated video for them. I remember now. This is a garage or shop LED light. Good weight. They asked me if I wanted to review a bunch of products, but the only thing that interested me was this one, because I could actually use this in the shop or my garage. So let's open it up and check it out. It looks like one of those lights where you would place on like a tractor or an ATV, you know, that kind. But this is plugs into your 110 AC. Oh wow, two of them. Very cool. Ouch. Mounting brackets and hardware. I'm going to put the brackets on. So as you see, it was very easy to do, just to put the brackets on. It comes with anchors and screws, so you can mount these anywhere in your garage or shop or whatever. So I'm going to plug it in and see how it works. Holy cow. Holy cow, that is bright. Holy cow, look at that. Very bright. Let's plug it into this one. Oh! Just kidding, I'm okay. Look at that, huh? It's pretty badass. I like it. Maybe I will mount it in my garage. I don't have any outlets though now. That's pretty good, huh? So this is the Onforu or Onforu Onforu 72 watt LED floodlight. It's a 2-pack, all right? 600 watt equivalent, 6500 lumens LED shop light. 6000K daylight white LED work lights with plug. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. It's not very expensive, and as you can see, it's very bright. LEDs are supposed to last longer. They're supposed to be brighter than regular halogen or analog bulbs. They also take up less electricity drain, and everybody has LEDs these days, and so your shop can be a lot more brighter and also take up less electricity. So it's a no-brainer, honestly. Pretty cool. Thanks a lot for sending it to me. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Andy from Jericho. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me. youtube.com/mowers and blowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.